Hello everyone, it's been an honor for me as a speaker in 4th International Conference and Biospheric Harmony Advanced Research. I am Natasha Audrey as a first author on Accounting Department and at Binus Online Learning Binus University. This paper title is The Effect of Leverage, Growth Opportunity, Net Working Capital, and Dividend Payment Towards Cash Holding Manufacturing Companies listed on IDX period 2018 to 2020. The purpose of the research is to explain about the effect of leverage, growth opportunity, net working capital, and dividend payment on cash holding in manufacturing companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange for the period 2018 to 2020. The research used 47 manufacturing companies that were selected using purposive sampling method for a total of 141 data in 3 years. IFUSE 12.0 used as a data processing program to assist the research process, and the research also used panel data regression analysis. The results of the research shows that all independent variables have effects on cash holding simultaneously. The results show that net working capital and dividend payment have positive effects on cash holding. However, leverage and growth opportunity have negative effects on cash holding. Thus, this study can be directly contributed to investors, company, and further researchers about the specific view of the cash holding on manufacturing company in Indonesia. Part 1, Introduction, Research Problem. Manufacturing industry play a vital role in the Indonesian economy. Referred to the 2016 United Nations Statistics Division data, Indonesia was ranked 4th in the world out of 15 countries that contribute more than 10% of gross domestic product in the manufacturing industry. Indonesia had a GDP growth of 22%, while South Korea, China, and Germany were 29%, 27%, and 23% respectively. Manufacturing companies that earn profits within a certain period have to possess a healthy financial performance and productively use assets. Thesis statements. Cash is an asset that plays an important role in the operational activities of a company. Cash is part of the current liquid assets to be used in improving the company's performance, especially to earn profits and pay obligations. Cash is a liquid asset, so companies need to have cash that will later be used to manage their operational activities. Having large amounts of cash can be provide advantage and disadvantage. Cash availability is related to the cash holding owned by the company. Cash holding can be used for daily company operation and to cover sudden cash needs. The phenomenon of leverage on cash holding occurred in PT Sariwangi Agricultural Estate Agency in 2018. As cited from www.kompas.com, PT Sariwangi Agricultural Estate Agency was declared bankrupt by the Commercial Court of the Central Jakarta District due to unable to pay a debt of 1.5 trillion of some banks. This is because this company has spent a large amount of money to develop water irrigation technology, but the results obtained from this development are far from the expectation. The company has failed to make investment to increase plantation production and bring more profits to the company. Consequently, the company could not pay its debts to some banks. During the COVID-19 pandemic, one of the growth opportunity phenomena on cash holding occurred in one of the world's top cleaning product manufacturers, namely Clorox and Reckitt Benckiser. It is undeniable that this pandemic encouraged people to be more active in living a cleaner life. This is beneficial for companies that produce cleaning products. According to www.finance.detik.com, sales of Clorox reached 15% in the first quarter of 2020. Meanwhile, sales of Reckitt Benckiser, with its flagship products, namely Lysol and Dettol, reached 13.5%. With the increasing sales, the company has the opportunity to grow and increase revenue. This indicates that the increased income can be used to increase the company cash holding. Net working capital is a company asset and it can replace cash easily and even can be used to finance company operations without disturbing the company's liquidity. S&P Finance is a multi-finance company that provides customers with the option of buying in cash or credit. This was done so that the cash did not affect the performance and ratio of non-performing loans of Bank Mandiri in that year. Through the credit loss reserve, Bank Mandiri can carry out its operational activities without disturbing the company's cash. Concerning the dividend payment factor on holding, there is a case at PT Hero Supermarket Tbk. As stated in www.kontan.co.id, through the annual general meeting of shareholders in August 2020 ago, PT Hero Supermarket Tbk decided not to distribute dividends to shareholders, even though in 2019, the company managed to make a profit of 70.64 billion. Compared to 2018, when the company suffered a loss of up to 1.25 trillion, this is much better. The profit earned in 2019 was used to strengthen the capital structure in order to support the company's sustainable expansion. This study aims to identify the effect of leverage, growth opportunity, net working capital, and dividend payment on cash holding in manufacturing companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange for the 2018 to 2020 period. This study involves 47 manufacturing companies determined using the proposed sampling technique with a total of 141 data in 3 years. Data were analyzed with the help of the EView 12.0 programs, and the study also used panel data regression analysis. The results showed that all independent variables had a simultaneous effect on cash holding. The partial test showed that net working capital and dividend payment had a positive effect on cash holding, but leverage and growth opportunity had a negative effect on cash holding. Hypothesis development. Hypothesis 1. Leverage has a negative effect on cash holding in manufacturing company listed on the IDX for the 2018 to 2020 period. Hypothesis 2. Growth opportunity has a positive effect on cash holding in manufacturing companies listed on the IDX for 2018 to 2020 period. Hypothesis 3. Net working capital has a positive effect on cash holding in manufacturing company listed on the IDX for the 2018 to 2020 period. And hypothesis 4, dividend payment has a positive effect on cash holding in manufacturing companies listed on the IDX for the 2018 to 2020 period. Part 2, methods. This study used panel data regression analysis carried out with a model approach with regression specification of the common effects model, fixed effects model, and random effects model. The selection of the best model specification was by using the Chow test, Hausman test, and Lagrange multiplier. Research limitation. First, the research conducted is limited to companies in the manufacturing sector list on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. Second, the data collection is limited to the 2018 to 2020 period. Third, this research only used independent variables of leverage, growth opportunity, net working capital, and dividend payment, where these variables are only one of some factors affecting cash holding. Fourth, not all companies in the manufacturing sector can be used as a population in this study because some companies don't meet the criteria. The last, not all manufacturing companies present complete financial statement information related to the variables studied, so there is a significant reduction in the sample in the population. Party results. Based on statistical descriptive results on dependent variables Y, have max value 0.62 and minimal value 0.001. On X1, have max value 0.783 and minimal value 0.092. X2 have max value 1.676 and minimal value minus 0.287. X3 have max value 0.869 and minimal value minus 0.3. X4 have max value 10.0 and min value 0.001. Validation. First, the results of this study are in line with the previous study by Angels Fosca and Valentis 2020 and Buck et al. 2021 that X1 had a negative effect on Y. However, this contradicts Murtini and Ukru 2021 and Saputri and Kuswardono 2019 that X1 had a positive effect on Y. Second, the results of this study are in line with the previous study by Hesa Putri and Bangun 2020 and Angels Fosca and Valentisik 2020 that X2 does not have a significant effect on Y. However, Buck et al. 2021 state that X2 has a negative effect on Y in Bangladesh. However, this contradicts Hokku et al. 2020 and Shubita 2019 that X2 have a positive influence on Y. Third, the results of this study are aligned with previous studies by Sari and Hastuti 2020 and Sethi and Swine 2019 that X3 has a positive effect on Y. However, this contradicts with Hesa Putri and Bangun 2020 and Murtini and Ukru 2021 that X3 has a negative effect on Y. The results of this study are in line with previous study by Murtini and Ukru 2021 and Putri and Siswanti 2022 that X4 has a positive effect on Y. However, this is contrast with Buck et al. 2021 that X4 has a negative effect on Y in the context Bangladesh, Pakistan, and India. Part 4 conclusion. First, the independent variables of leverage X1 has no significant effects on dependent variable cash holding Y in manufacturing companies listed on Indonesia Stock Exchange for the 2018 to 2020 period. Second, the independent variable of growth opportunity X2 has no significant effects on the dependent variable on cash holding Y in manufacturing companies listed on Indonesia Stock Exchange for the 2018 to 2020 period. Third, the independent variable of net working capital X3 has a significant effect on the dependent variable on cash holding Y in manufacturing companies listed on Indonesia Stock Exchange for the 2018 to 2020 period. The independent variables of dividend payment X4 has no significant effects on the dependent variable on cash holding Y in manufacturing companies listed on Indonesia Stock Exchange for the 2018 to 2020 period. Practical application and advice. First, potential investors who want to invest in manufacturing companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange can use the results of this study as a reference in making investment decisions. Second, companies are suggested to make cash reserves according to their needs so that the cash reserves can be used effectively, considering that optimal cash holding planning can help for the company's daily operational activities or sudden needs. Notes for future research. First, future studies that use one of 4 variables used in these studies are suggested to focus on other industries such as mining, property, or real estate listed on Indonesia Stock Exchange. Second, future studies are suggested to use or look for other variables that have not been studied in this study to enrich the factors affecting the company's cash holding. Plus, future studies are also suggested to extend the period so that data from the sample can clearly represent and describe the condition of the company's cash holding from year to year. That's all my presentation. Thank you for great attention.